from the Hurricane Lounge. As the storm progresses, as you can see, this is just crazy. Crazy. The water has now officially been over the deck. Over the deck, and my neighbor's boat is gone.
Up here.
There's my neighbor's boat. Right there. Just kind of chilling.
Oh, the jet ski is there too.
Yeah, they're both hanging out together. Yeah, the news should be over here. Getting a load of this.
Oh, you kidding? What are you going to do? Everything got destroyed. Nothing you can do about it.
If there was a website I could email. But our boat's still there, God bless. Not for long though.
Yeah, no, it's...
I tell you though, if it's gonna blow off, it's gonna be contained near us. Cause look where all loose stuff is. It can't go nowhere. All that debris though, look at all that shit. And when eventually the tide goes down, forget it. It's gonna be retarded. Oh, the debris on our deck. It's gonna be fun cleaning that shit up.
I'll tell you, it's a good thing the tide is going up.
Yeah, no, if the tide was coming up, it'd be all... Oh look, now look, we have a pool that we always wanted.
Yeah, you wanted a pool, you got a fucking...
There you go, our deck is a pool now.
Alright, let's go. I gotta get some of my back stuff.
Alright, we're gonna leave.
Where's the key?
Get some coffee.